Hakasngi balai ke Dorbar mang tingka jongayeng Dorbar thawan ke jela katah ke sautari uleber arja arpusan u MLA ke Voice of the People Party na Mawryngkneng uba Havingstone Kharpran ula Wanrah ya ke call attention notice hakabaya day ba ke jingjak rangai uba Kaster Bok Kharbuli na la yeng jong u na Sohryngkham la sau Bnai menta. Haba Wanrah ikan ikan notice uba Havingstone ula ong bau new Rangbah ula jat na la yeng nadu ke sitare unai wing araja arpusau hendrai wat la kala yai la sau Bnai tam na kaliang kipulet kimpat la ban lap yau new Rangbah kebala penlong ya kibah yeng asam ban syong ha ke jing lengo. Ula ong ba ke jing bam la ban lap yau new Rangbah kala Wanrah ikan jing ma ha ke be day ba ke jing singan kipat ba bat halor ke kom trekam kibor ki badai pen bat kumta ula ai jingmut ba ke sorkar ke day ban syem kia halor ke ni da ke batung da ki kenhun toket ba kerpang. Haba jubab ya kini upa Preston Tensong usembut Menteri Rangbah upa dipet ya ketenat kampo yeng bat ke District Council Affairs ula ong bahaka laitari unai wing araja arpusau upa Kyrwoh Kharbuli uhinman jong ni Rangbah ula ujo da ke ejahar halor ke jingja jong u bat kumta na kaliang kipulet mar kilas dang ke jing toket bat ban paru ya ke kubor syabaro ki police outpost nalor ki police station haka jella bat kumjuru syajela Assam. Ula ong bagi pulet ki klam syong kelikti bat ki persangkar bala ban lap yau new Rangbah hendrai hadu menta kimpat la ban lap bat ban benrap ban kaliang ki bor pulet hadu menta kidang ya le ban wat yau new Rangbah.
So I rise today to call the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Department, according to 54(1) of the rules of the procedure and conduct of business of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, to bring the attention of this August House on a matter of significant importance concerning the newspaper report published in local newspaper Mawryngkneng on the 12th November 2024, which stated Jarngai uba Kasterbok Kharbuli na Yingsta na Sohryngkham. So Mr. Kasterbok Kharbuli is the resident of Sohryngkham, age 45. He has been missing since 1st November 2024 at around 8:30 morning. So he is 5 feet tall, dark complexion, and mentally unstable. According to the eyewitnesses, he was seen last wearing blue jacket, tracksuit with white slippers. The Superintendent of Police that time, Shri S. Nongtinger, has circulated the news through media outlets to trace about his whereabouts. So, and also he has given the number in the control room and also to report to the in charge of Sohryngkham police outpost. So, despite a passage of several months, 4 months more, still there is no information on his whereabouts. This has caused immense distress and worry to his family and also the entire village community. Sir, this prolonged disappearance raises serious concerns about the public safety and also the efficiency of the investigative mechanism. This lack of progress in this case has added the suffering to his family and also creates fear among the people. So I would like to make some submission to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to take immediate and decisive actions by ensuring intensified and high priority investigation into the case by involving specialized team. So far, sir, there's no information about his whereabouts. This is not the only case. So many cases of missing person are there, but the government has failed to trace the missing person. Number two, sir, I request the government to deploy modern tracking and surveillance measures to trace any possible leads. Number three, I request the government to involve committee participation by offering incentive or reward for the information. Lastly, sir, I would like to request the government that they should not leave this case unsolved, but try to provide the periodic updates to the family. Sir, for this case, I want justice, and it is the duty and responsibility of the government to protect the citizen, and this should not be left unsolved, sir. So I sincerely request the Deputy Chief Minister to take the matter seriously and to locate Mr. Kyrwoh and bring some hope to the family.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House, Sri Livingstone Kharpran MLA Mawryngkneng constituency, for tabling this calling attention motion under Rule 51(1) of the Procedure and Conduct of Business under the caption Jangai Ubak Kasta Bok Karbuli Naying Sa Sohryngkham Wanrah. Sir, on the 3rd November 2024, Shri Kyrwoh Lester Karbuli lodged a missing person report stating that his brother Shri Bok Karbuli, aged 45 years, son of late T. Kharpran, a resident of Sohryngkham, Shillong Mail, East Khasils District, Meghalaya, and a mentally challenged individual had been missing from his residence since 8:30 a.m. on 1st November 2024. Sir, upon receiving the missing report on 3rd November 2024, the police at Sohryngkham outpost immediately launched an inquiry and search operation. A preliminary investigation was conducted and an alert message was issued to all officers in charge and in charges of police stations, outposts and beat houses across Meghalaya and Assam to trace and detain the missing person if found. Sir, a hue and cry notice was issued on 11 November 2024 and the Special Superintendent of Police CID Meghalaya also circulated a lookout notice to the Director General of Police of all states, Commissioners of Police, New Delhi and Chandigarh, Inspectors Generals of Police of Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Ladakh and Superintendent of Police in all districts of Meghalaya. Sir, despite all these efforts, Shri Bok Karbuli has not yet been located and the case is still under active inquiry. Efforts are being actively initiated to locate the missing individual with coordinated search and investigation operations. Sir, search and rescue teams are working together to cover all possible locations where the person may be found and are following up on any potential leads that may assist in determining the whereabouts of Shri Bok Karbuli. Sir, the issues raised by the honourable member from Mawryngkneng constituency, we from the police department leave no stone unturned to make sure that the missing person is located at the earliest possible, and we will not sleep at all till the clarity is found. So, sir, with these few words, I once again take this opportunity to thank the honourable member of this August House for bringing the calling attention notice under Rule 54(1). Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sri Livingstone Kharpran, you may seek one clarification. Please.
Thank you, Deputy Chief Minister, sir, for the reply. And just one request, if possible, sir, the search should be continued even today.
Yes, sir.
Habatien, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Wanrah Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.